Huwag ka bang barurong, ma'am? You do not know me from Adam.
Nalaman natin meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. You are asking as if you are from the COA. Kailangan mo ng report, so you have to bring the papers. Ano? Hindi naman ako COA.
Ako po kasi nagtatanong dahil ako po ay pinapapatay ni dating Pangulong Duterte.
Kung pinapatay kita, bakit buhay ka pa ngayon?
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo?
Successful, ma'am. Na-minimize yung drugs. You cannot